Yes, in order, those who are having phones, the best way for you to access the course, this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to be following the procedures that Hadia is going to be taking us through. So Hadia, click on that link. Now, those who are using a phone, the moment you click onto the link, it will take you to that dashboard. Now, Hadia, what you are going to do, I want you to scroll down and get the word which has get started. I don't know that you are seeing that word, get started. Are you seeing it somewhere? Or you are
No,
not? You are not seeing
no,
it, eh?
I am yes.
Okay. Now, what you are going to do, since you are not seeing it, you are going to, okay. Okay, continue. No problem. Continue up. Or it is done. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, I want you to remove this thing which is telling you, but okay, it is there. Are you seeing it?
Oh, I've seen it.
So you press get started. Now, since I don't, Hadia, do you have an account? Have you ever done any course?
Not yet.
Yes, not yet. So since she has never done any course, so we are going to go where there is sign up. Don't have an account, sign up. Good. Now, Hadia, you're going to fill in those details. Select the country, select the state, the year of birth, and then the month.
Okay.
Yeah. So you follow those procedures that Hadia is taking us through. So now, Hadia, can you first place before you, now Hadia, before you go
Mm-hmm.
there, can you first show us the requirements? People need to know the requirements. Password requirements there. I think, Now, yes, so members, those who are when you're creating, make sure your password is really very strong. So it must have about 8 characters. So you have to mix up the capital letters, small letters, and then numbers. Okay, Hadia, continue. Okay. Now,
Oh.
Hadia, they are telling you that it is invalid the password.
Mm.
So mix, you have not mixed. So when you're creating, you mix capital, small, and then, oh, mm. So Adia, special characters means those things like hash, star, slash. So you
Mm.
must mix up with such things.
Okay.
Hello, I request I send the link again, please.
Yes, we have sent the link in the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Now, once your password has been accepted and is strong enough, then Hadia, you're already logged
Mm-hmm.
in. So we are going to, I don't know, I'm not seeing your screen. Okay. Because now it must take you to another screen. Has it taken you?
Yeah, it's telling me to either go back or back to home, to the home page.
Okay, go back to the home page. Yes, now there are two things there, terms and conditions. So in case you want, you're going to click on those two boxes. In case you want to get emails from Cisco, you click on them. In case you don't want to get any communication, then you don't click the second one. In case you don't want to get those continuous updates. Okay, then after we shall say accept and then continue.
Okay.
Okay. Now, that means that Hadia, she can now start on the course. So in order for us to start the course, those are the modules that we have. So we have module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. So what we do, now you click,
Yes.
Hadia, you can click for us on the first one. Why should I take this module? Now, once you click there, then you'll be able to see what is there. Then you read through, you scroll after reading through, then after you say next. Then you continue scroll. Now there is a video. So now when you are studying, you click in that video for you to be able to learn what is contained. So once you click in the video, they will explain to you the different things, what, and then after, Hadia, scroll down a bit. After, there is an item for you have to attempt. Hadia, let you tell us the answer. Just choose any two. But first read through. Yes, Hadia, we are waiting for you. Just tap any two.
Okay. So I think it's one.
Mhm.
I think I'm going to go with 1 and 3. Yeah.
And then you say submit. Yes. Now, after submitting, then you are going to you read through, then after you can say next. But hope you saw the answer. That explanation was showing you the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Then that is the second module. So you still click the video, learn like that, up to when you finish all the modules.
Okay.
Mm. Then in case maybe let me assume you have got tired and maybe you have other things you to do. So it depends because our target is to see that we can complete before Christmas this particular course because it needs just 6 hours. And then after that, in case you have time, you can do another one, something like that. So after that, in case you feel you are tired, for you just close and then you go. But when you are coming back to do the course, you'll just be clicking on that link. Are you getting it?
Yes. That means
Yes.
you can. That means you can either save it like in bookmarks or something like
Ah,
that, right?
yes, perfect. Alternatively, you can you open for us another web browser? Then there, type in netacard.com. Neta, N-E, Yes. Then say login. Netacard login. Okay. Yes. Nadia, we are waiting for you to log in. Yes. Now, dear friends, when you look at this screen, you may be tempted to start those courses. Now, Hadia, look at your upper right corner where you see a circle with like a picture of a
My
person.
profile icon.
Yes. No, I've not seen it. Oh, okay. I think in Hadia, your thing just saved automatically.
Yeah.
Eh, yes, your thing saved automatically. Now, when you want to go to your course that you are learning, you press My Learning. Then it will take you to the course you have been enrolled through, and then you just click there, and then you continue. Then Nadia also take us back still to the photo. I want to show the members how they are going to be getting their certificates and badges. Oh, I wanted you to take us to where your profile was, on your profile. Yes. So Hadia, after doing the course, when you complete, to find your certificates or badges, you click where you have badges and certificates. Then there they'll give you the details for the different things that you have. But since Hadia has not yet completed, she cannot be able to see any certificate. But once she completes, she'll be able to see the badge or the certificate, depending on the course that she has done. Okay. Uh, Hope that is okay. Any questions? Anyone who may have a question?
I'm just inquiring when we are going, when this lesson will be repeated.
When this lesson, have you just
Will be
come in?
repeated. Yes, I guess.
Now, those who have just come in, I don't know what we can do to help you, but we are going to send a recording such that you may be able to watch it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, but if possible, you can share your screen. Okay, thank you, Hadia. So that's Hadia, for you are good to start.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Any other person? Those who have finished the course, it is okay. It is well. For you finish, and then you'll be able to get the other. Okay. I feel this is enough for today. Please let's continue. Continue working out. Let's continue working out. Nyaz Henry, continue working out and doing the course. Yeah. So we shall end here. Let's continue doing the course. Good enough, Hadi has showed you how you can navigate the platform. Then we can start from there. Those who may have some questions, maybe you can raise up your hand now. But in case you have no questions, use that link I've provided and then continue working out the course. Yeah, that's what I can say for now. We can start from there. Yes, we can start from there. Okay, but tomorrow we shall meet to talk about mental health, to talk about the phones, how they are
Tomorrow I'm not
affecting us.
attending.
Yes, yes. Okay, let me wish you a good day. Bye bye.